Hi. Once again, I'm Joe Kenney, and this is the 2015 Subaru WRX that we do have. Taking it for a little test drive today to show you guys what this thing is capable of. So, while we're driving this car, it does feel very, very smooth for the ride that it does have. It does have a lot of power, so I do recommend, if you know someone looking at this car, you can kind of know what you're doing. This one does also come all-wheel drive, the symmetrical all-wheel drive system that Subaru has. This car comes with a 3,000 mile or 60-day warranty. So if anything happens, bring the car back and we'll see what we can do to help you out. Now, while I'm driving this car, I will say it does make me feel like $1 million. It's kind of like you're a kid again. But it is a lot of fun overall. And it is a very safe vehicle for what it has to offer. Yeah, so the radio system in this car is Harman Kardon. So it is the upgraded sound system for Subaru. So, if you would like this 2015 Subaru WRX, feel free to come down to Gengras Subaru in Torrington and find me, Joe Kenney.